Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker JBL Flip 7. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom of the box right here we have serial number. So we have SN, what means serial number, and you can check it right here. But you can also use an application. If you add your speaker to the application, just open it, then go to product information, and in about we have serial number, so you can check it also right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.